Dom's Fiscum, thank you so much for checking out the channel, guys. So this is a very quick one what we're going to be doing today, which is something I'm really looking forward to, which is an unboxing of a Bible, and it's actually a manga Bible. So this one, I'm going to literally say no more, but chuck it over to my video editor who's going to be doing this. And it's a fantastic video. Tom's the magic behind its entertainment with the rest of the team as well, with Joe and everyone else. A big shout out to the whole team. And I'm really excited for this one as well. Also, one thing I'm going to say to people as well is remember every single superhero, whether it's Superman, whether it's Marvel, whatever you watch, they all get their idea from the gods, from Greek mythology, from things like that. So always remember that every superhero you've ever seen has some sort of biblical story behind it. So we're going to chuck this over to Tom. Dominus Vobiscum, thank you so much. Dominus Vobiscum, thank you so much. Dominus Vobiscum. Dominus Vobiscum, Dominus Vobiscum.
Hi guys, I'm TJ. Brian finally let me out of a cage and decided to let me do a video. So today we're going to check out a manga Bible. So let's have a look and check this thing out. There's no the new Ant-Man and Wasp movies coming out soon, so I've been reading a lot of comic books. And at night time I usually read a manga. And obviously a lot of things have in common is there's gods and godlike beings in both of these adaptations. As to the original source materials. So we've got two Bibles here. This one is a manga Bible with original passages and stories. But every so often there's like a comic book-like story describing an event from each part of the Bible. It's actually quite interesting. The art's really cool. The time when Adam made Eve out of a rib, and Lucifer taking the form of a snake. And there's loads of really cool things in here, and this is just literally the Bible, but with little comic book strips and stories to be told. This one's quite interesting. So this is a full-on manga Bible, so it's unlike the Bible version with the pages. This is full-on manga version of the Bible. That's this way to read it. And there's some beautiful imagery, beautiful artwork. Tells the exact same story than this Bible and obviously the Bible with their images. They're both the same stories. However, this version would be good for someone over the age of 13, to be honest. So if they're like going into religion and want to know more about religion, but they're into comic books or manga, this would be a great gift for someone, especially if they're not an avid reader and they're more of an avid comic book reader or manga reader. This is definitely the best gift to get for them. This version will be good for someone who's also an avid reader, loves reading, but also enjoys comic book style imagery and manga. So I would recommend, if you enjoy comics and manga, these are definitely worth getting and checking out. I'll leave a link below for the Amazon description below. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you like more videos, click here, which should be an icon. Brian put the icon here. This is the end tag bit. More videos here. Subscribe here. There should be a little circle here. Subscribe there. And now I'm just going to get back to editing all of Brian's videos. Take care and lots of love.